What's the meaning of arithmetic? Arithmetic. Arithmetic.
Arithmetic. Arithmetic. Arithmetic refers to the branch of mathematics that deals with the manipulation of numbers and basic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It is a fundamental skill required in almost every aspect of daily life, from calculating expenses to measuring ingredients in cooking. Understanding arithmetic is essential for more advanced mathematical concepts, such as algebra and calculus. By mastering arithmetic, individuals can develop quantitative reasoning skills that are necessary for success in fields such as engineering, science, and data analysis.